the state capitol this week for a mother still grieving the murder of her 2-year-old daughter in the midst of a custody battle. Ever since Jacqueline Franchetti's work to pass Kyra's Law, which she says will save lives. And CBS 6's Tom Eschen speaking with Jacqueline for Power in Politics. The heels of her meeting with the governor's office. And Tom, how did that go?
She says she felt listened to, JT. It was a big step for her and for a lot of people that have been advocating for this for a long time now. She said the governor's representatives asked good questions too, but added that there were no assurances. All in all, she considered it a win, as she's now been working on this for about 8 years. Back in 2016, her daughter Kyra, at 2 years old, was killed by her father as the family was in the midst of a custody battle. Jacqueline has been advocating for a law that would give children more protection in custody cases, mandating training for judges, while also considering other abuse, especially of a partner, when considering if a child would be abused. As mentioned, despite a lot of lawmaker support, it's taken a while to move forward. I asked Jacqueline about that and one of the hesitations expressed against it. Some have said the time frame laid out doesn't work in the family court system. I guess, how do you address when things like that are brought up?
You know, really what we're looking at is prioritizing the safety of the child. And if you look at the current version of Kyra's Law, again, it does 3 things. Prioritize child safety, mandate judge training, make sure that common practices that allow abusers to gain custody are eliminated here. This does not hold up the timeline for a custody trial. And it doesn't stop it. There's nothing that does anything in that time parameter.
Not just lawmakers, but there's also a student advocacy program that's emerged through her advocacy work called Steps for Safety. She says that's made an impact too. She's asking now for support from the public in getting that meeting, the one-on-one with the governor herself. In the meantime, her goal is to have Kyra's Law included in the state of the state and the state budget this upcoming year as well. More to come tonight on Power in Politics. That's at 10:30 on the CW. Back to you, JT.